Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knowledge Chest, your go-to place for learning music step by step, especially if you're blind or visually impaired. Today we're going to explore how to play the B-flat major chord on the piano using both your left and right hands. So, let's dive right in. Right hand, find the B-flat note. Start by placing your right hand on the keyboard. To find the B-flat note, locate the group of 3 black keys. B-flat is the black key directly to the left of the B note, which is the white key just to the right of this set of 3 black keys. Position your fingers. Place your thumb, finger 1, on B-flat. Next, use your middle finger, finger 3, to press the D note. To find D, move 3 white keys to the right of B-flat, B, C, and D. Finally, place your pinky, finger 5, on the F note, which is 2 white keys to the right of the D note. Play the chord. Press down all 3 notes, B-flat, D, and F, simultaneously. This is your B-flat major chord with your right hand. Left hand, position your fingers. Find the B-flat note. Now for your left hand, find the B-flat note by locating the same set of 3 black keys. Place your pinky, finger 5, on the B-flat note. Place your middle finger, finger 3, on the D note. Remember, D is the 3rd white key to the right of B-flat. Finally, place your thumb, finger 1, on the F note, 2 white keys to the right of D. Play the chord. Press down all 3 notes, B-flat, D, and F, together. This is your B-flat major chord with your left hand. Playing both hands together. To play the B-flat major chord with both hands, press down the B-flat, D, and F notes with your right hand while doing the same with your left hand. This creates a rich, full sound. And that's how you play the B-flat major chord on the piano with both hands. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Chest for more piano lessons tailored just for you. Also, check out the video description for a link where you can hear how this chord should sound. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.